Good morning, Oklahoma. This is Katrina Lucas with Worth Law Office. I'm here to talk to you about estate planning and whether you need or do not need a trust for any end of life planning for your assets. First thing, let's go over what a trust is. A trust is a legal entity that is recognized by the state as a owner of property and the ability to manage that property and those assets while you're alive or after your death. A trust is used for protection of assets. A trust is used to avoid probate. A trust is the preferred method if you go to an attorney to do estate planning for them to recommend for you. A trust is not a solution that solves every problem. There are ways for trust assets to be taken, but they are extreme. The state of Oklahoma is very deferential to having a trust and those assets in the trust, even when you still have control of that trust or when it's a revocable trust. Uh, so a trust can be a 10-page document or it can be an 80-page document. The breadth and depth of the document is going to go into what powers are granted, what rights people have, what your trustee can and cannot do, what you can and cannot do, what uh, what is an option, how insurance or benefits or anything else can be paid, how your heirs or the people you want to receive money from your trust can be paid and when. Those details can dictate how long that trust is. There's sections of a trust that may provide for lots of protections for it to last longer, for an attorney or somebody to be able to can change language or to modify that trust even when it's supposed to be unmodifiable due to law changes or to preserve the intent of the trust. So you need to go to a good trust and estate planning attorney for those. There's many of them in the state of Oklahoma. I am by no means alone in my professional status as an estate planning attorney. I will say that not all attorneys can do a diverse estate, and the amount of money that you have, whether it's one penny in your name or whether it's millions and millions of dollars, will apply as to how your trust is set up and what the lingering and funding methodology you use. Your attorney, if you have a large estate, should be working with your accountant, should be working with you to understand your business and where your assets are to be able to properly plan and make sure that your estate is taken care of should something happen to you. If you have any other questions about a trust or would like to set one up with Worth Law Office, give me a call here. I'm happy to answer questions and discuss all of the nuances of a trust with you. And I do love working with estate planning.